Alright, today we're going to be welding in, or trying to install this roll bar from Mustangs to Fear, which has tabs there, and these two tabs mount into where the shoulder harness mounts. Unfortunately, we've got the headliner already in, so poking around and with an awl I was able to find where the driver's side goes, and this side on the passenger side ended up having to pull the headliner out a bit, and we've got a hole right here with no threads. So what we're going to do is take this supplied J-hook, gonna cut that front piece off, using the back half, gonna stick that into the hole and weld that in. One or not. Yeah. Alright, so we've drilled a little bit out for our hole here and cut the piece off. So it's going to go in right there in that J-hook. It's kind of hard to get the lighting right, but that's where it's going to go. TIG weld that in so it doesn't burn through the headliner. Don't melt the headliner.
Try not to. Alright. That's a...
Alright, so we've got the roll bar in, and the bolts through the shoulder harnesses are going through. We had to take it out and hit this ear, that attachment point with the sledge, persuade it in a little bit, and coming down to the floor now, the torque box, we've got a good inch, and it's also right up against the wall of the car. So ideally, bending this tube in would be ideal before we get it welded in. Another piece of 3/8 steel to get it up to the right height to bolt this on, or to weld the piece on here. So here we have the extra piece TIG welded in, and push the roll bar back in there, drill holes on the back and front side, and get that all squared away. Alright, so we have the first side installed, drilled through after raising up an extra 3/8 of an inch of steel, and have it welded to the torque box. Passenger side, it's a little tight. Turn that light over here. Right up against the side of the car, so we're going to get a strap and try to pull it in and get the mounting done there. Alright, so now we've got the passenger side. Just didn't take much, just pull a little bit, and we stick our built-up plate underneath there, the backing plate, and get that welded in, drilled, and front plate put on, and we should be all done. And there we have it. Got connections all the way around. Nice clearance, about an inch above the headliner for our 5-point attachments, and all welded and bolted together. Alright, another law of unintended consequences is that since this roll bar is designed for a 67, 68 fastback Mustang, the back seat is substantially different, and we're not going to be able to. This is actually a Mustang back seat, which is not as deep as a Cougar, so I was hoping that maybe it would work. But we're definitely going to need to have, if we're going to put a back seat in, it's going to have some cutouts and down through the seat itself, which is not going to be easy to do, or just build like a fastback kind of box. So that's going to be the next issue, but if you're building a race car version, that's not a problem. Getting those windows out with the roll bar installed, the back windows, that's going to be impossible as well, so that's another reason to be able to take the roll bar out. So all in all, it's not too bad of a project, but there are consequences. Thanks for watching.